Hey guys, welcome to RitFit. I'm Simon. Recently, we've made some detailed upgrades to our original Smith machine, the BPC05. And now, we've launched the new generation BPC06. I'm sure it will bring you a better fitness experience. Today, we're going to introduce you to the installation of the BPC06, and here are the very parts of the BPC06. For example, we've added this storage board, which is convenient for storing small equipment and helps keep your gym tidy. Also, we've upgraded the material of the cable handles and the pulleys from plastic to aluminum. Let's keep some surprises in store for now and start installing this beast with this instruction manual. Here's a tip. Don't tighten all the bolts until you finish all the installation steps of the main frame, in case there's a need to adjust later. Otherwise, the rack may be unbalanced. The Smith positioning upright frame needs to be installed correctly, just as I'm demonstrating now. You can first stick the top of the slider upright frame between the top bracket. That way it'll be a breeze to install in this step. Now let's install the other side. It's in the same order as we just did. Take a close look at another significant upgrade, the pull-up bar. Unlike the straight-shaped one in the BPC05, it is arched. This arch design is a game changer as it provides more gripping angles and enhances the convenience of your workouts. The shock-absorbing design of the barbell guiding rod on the BP06 has also been updated. There are rubber pads at the bottom, and we've even added springs here. Remember to install the weight stacks and other parts from top to bottom in sequence, just as shown in the installation manual. Now we can clearly see the outline of the entire BPC06. That means we're already halfway through the installation. Next, we're going to start installing the pulley system. Compared to the BPC05, the BPC06's cable routing is much more convenient, so the installation is simpler too. Attention! When assembling the cable, it should be threaded through here first. And then following the route specified in the instruction manual, finally be fixed here. Since the nuts here were tightened in the first step, to install the storage board we need to first loosen them. And finally, don't forget to tighten all the bolts that weren't fully tightened before. And this time, make sure you tighten them thoroughly. Now the installation is complete. You may notice there are still two parts left unused. Don't be concerned. These are the lap bar and the row handle. You can use them when doing lap pull downs or any rowing exercises. Finally, it's worth mentioning that the warranty for expanded parts like nuts and pulleys has been extended from 12 months to 24 months. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us.